Anong mo ato magitag church? Many of us, we treat church as just a part of our lives. Dapat masabta nato nga ang church should be our life. It's the most important thing in life. Dili na siya accessory sa life. Dili na siya somewhere nga imo lang giatuan or somewhere nga imo lang atinan og pila ka oras. Ephesians 1:20-23. It says here, all this energy issues from Christ. God raised him from death and set him on a throne in deep heaven, in charge of running the universe. Gi-appoint ni God si Jesus to run the whole universe and everything from galaxies to governments, no name, no power, exempt from His rule. Meaning, God is above all authorities and power. He is above all ruler sa universe or diri sa kalibutan. He is the sovereign one. Walay makalabaw sa authority ni Lord. Whatever He allows, mahitabo. Ingon bitaw sa Bible, no, whatever you bind on earth will be bound in heaven. No, sunindot kayo na nga verse, powerful kay na nga verse, kay murag gipasa ni Jesus iyang authority sa ato, pero kita nga magistuhan, naglakaw sa kalibutan, nga murag walay authority, luoy kayo. Binuangan na sa kaaway, binuangan na sa problema. Yagaan ra sa problema, but diri ningon diri He is in charge. No name, no power, exempt from His rule, and not just for the time being, but forever. He is in charge of it all, has the final word on everything. And at the center of all this, ang heart ani tanan, kanitanan niyang authority, kanitanan iyang sovereignty, Christ rules the church. The church, you see, is not peripheral to the world. It's not an accessory to the world. The world is peripheral to the church. The world is an accessory sa church. The church is Christ's body in which He speaks and acts, by which He fills everything with His presence. Now, sa NLT translation, para masabtan na to, God has put all things under the authority of Christ and has made Him head over all things for the benefit of the church. Buot pasabot ang purpose sa tanan authority nga naa kang Christ, a purpose sa rule ni Christ para sa benepisyo sa church. Then dili ka mo appeal og church, wala kay labot.